Wake up, Boris. We have a yak to make. The Yakovlev Yak-15 was a first-generation masterpiece of a Soviet turbojet fighter developed by a bunch of elites from the mother Russia. Yeah, I am pretty sure you can still detect the sarcasm even in text speech. This potato with wings is basically a Yak-3 with a reverse-engineered German Junkers Jumo 04. In fact, as always, and got you covered with the exclusive design process footage. This should fly, right, Boris? Well, with that out of the way, this is my attempt at making Russia's pathetic excuse of a jet fighter. With that out of the way, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was really fun to make, and if you did, please consider liking and subscribing. Until next time. See you later, SolidWorks.